Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I told you in another video that I had the Zerolemon for the Pixel 4 and the 4 XL. I'm still using it for the 4 XL obviously, but here it is for the Pixel 4, the smaller one. Now while it's not really, it's going to be very beneficial to the larger Pixel 4 XL, it'll be very beneficial to this one right here, man. I mean, you're literally, you should triple your battery with it on this one. This one's not 8,000, it's 6,500 I believe for the smaller variant, but still this is a must for a lot of you guys. And while I'm getting great battery on the Pixel 4, there's nothing wrong with having more, and this one is gonna be a little bulky like the other one, but not too bad. The other one's a bigger phone, and it's also 8,000. So yeah, this one's a little bit smaller. Well, a lot smaller actually. Yeah, this is definitely doable compared to the 4 XL. So in the same fashion, I'm gonna just do an unboxing here. Then I'm gonna leave this on the phone and just use it until it dies, until both of them die, and I'll show it to you here. So like the other Pixel 4 XL, this one pretty much triples the size of your phone. But getting this, you know that this is what you're getting into it for. So you know that you're gonna get a ton of battery out of this. Now 2800 plus 6500, folks, that's a lot of battery, and that's the intent from Zerolemon. Now again, in the same fashion as the other video, there's no way you can mess this up. You start at the top. This is flexible. You start at the top and you slide your phone down in there. In order to check it, you tap it once and that powers it on. Like the other one, it had 3 bars, and if you want to turn it off, you hold it for 3 seconds. The instructions, the instructions are actually right there too. You got your power and your volume. Nothing on this side. Cut off for your camera, microphone, and all your ports on the bottom. So to put this on, you should just start sliding like this at the top. Work it at the bottom for a second, and then boom, you're in. That's it. Same thing like the other case, the bigger version of it. This is, I'll admit, it's not too bad on this one. On the bigger version of my 4 XL, it is kind of big. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and grab it real quick. Sneak off a video real fast. And here we have it right here. I mean, the phone is bigger altogether, but they both make the phones huge. But they both give this phone extra battery life. So, you know, keep that in mind. This is, you know, it's heavy, you know what I'm saying? But this one is a little bit more manageable, obviously, because it's a smaller phone. So, same fashion with the 4 XL, you've got lip protection. I have a tempered glass on both of these. So, you know, you've got lip protection when you lay them both down. You know what I'm saying? You lay them both down, boom, you know, it'll lay flat because I have a screen protector on here. But if you didn't have a screen protector, there's a little bit of lip that runs around the phone, so you will have some protection. This doesn't mess with any of the gestures. If you don't have buttons on, it doesn't mess with the gestures. I tested it on the other phone. Volume rocker is nice and good. It's sweet. It's tactile. Power button is good. Everything works, man. And when you lay it on the table now, you know what I'm saying, you got some, your camera's obviously completely protected because, you know, you got this huge battery poking it off the ground. Some of you guys asked about the speaker quality, and does it affect the speaker quality? No, it doesn't affect it doesn't mess with the speaker quality at all, because you got big ports cutting it out. So everything's exactly still the same. So with that being said, man, that's the Zerolemon series. I'm gonna start charging this up. This obviously charges through the phone, and it charges the phone and the case, just like the bigger version. So I'll be charging this up and I'll be using it. I haven't charged this one in going on 24 hours, so this thing is still going. I still have, just to give you an update on this one, I have 67% left, and I haven't charged it since the other day. It's been a full 24 hours, I believe. And then this one, I'm gonna start the cycle today. I was on, let me see what I'm on here. I'm on 89%, but I'm gonna go ahead and charge everything to full, just like I did that one. And get it going for you guys. So there it is, man. Zerolemon for the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL. These are solid cases, folks. I mean, I know that they add a lot of bulk, but if you're buying these, you're not buying them because you want to look good. You buying them because you want to get the job done. So if you're on some kind of event or something, that's an all-day event, and you don't have to try to worry about plugging in or stopping or whatever, charge this up and take it with you. You will for sure last all that day and into the next day, folks. I'm telling you, I think that the Zerolemon, I think the bigger version is probably going to last me about 3.5 days, possibly. It's on a weekend right now, so I'll see what's up. So today is Friday at the recording of this video, so I'm literally not going to charge either one of these again until the phone dies and the battery case dies, and then, you know, I'll give you the numbers in the final videos. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Beast Mode, links in the description. I'll see you in another one. Take care.